Seriously, all 2025, if it's not looking like a human hair wig, we ain't messing with it. Okay?
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Hey folks, welcome to my channel. It's Vageline here, your favorite wig influencer. If I ain't, hopefully I will. If you're new here, welcome. We do everything here synthetically fun. Make sure to watch this video all the way to the end. If you like what you see, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, you know, all that jazz. But if you've been here, you already know what we're about to do. Y'all see it, y'all see it, y'all see it. Let's go ahead and get into Who's That Girl. You can watch me put this one all the way together, and then I'll go about giving you all her sneaky deaky details. Alright folks, let's go. Now that I got her all the way together, let's go ahead and read this star card so I can show you what I just did. Better yet, so I can show you what Sensationnel done did with this one. This wig is from Sensationnel. This is from their BARELUXE Collection. She is a unit number 3, and I got her in the color number 2. Let's go ahead and read her stock card. First of all, this thing is a 13x6. She is a glueless wig. She comes with a pre-plucked hairline. She has natural density. She has a breathable mesh cap with wig band and silicone lining for secure glueless install. Her hairline is thinner, lighter lace for more transparent melt on the skin. This is what my girl is looking like on the stock card. I really wanted to get this color, but I knew the number 2 was going to eat down. And I was correct. Anyway, she's definitely big head friendly. She comes ear to ear. She has the 2 combs in the front, the one in the back, adjustable straps, as well as an adjustable elastic band. I already said that because she's supposed to be a glueless wig. She did not tangle because I didn't even comb her out. Literally, all I did was pluck her and then did this right here in the front, and pretty much that was it. But she shedded a lot. I don't know if she was shedding because I plucked her and I didn't really comb her out, or she's a shedder. She's a shedder. She's going to shed. But you don't really have to comb her too much because, as you can see, the style is what the style is. You can do a middle part, you can do a side part, right, left, whatever. I did it this way because I thought she would be cute on the right side. My right, your left, whatever. Her texture, honestly, girl, I don't even, she is like a blown out yucky texture. Like, she's not super duper silky and she's not super duper textured wise either. As you can see, when I put a little bit of heat to her, she comes out really straight. But then down here, you can see how textured she really is, right? Because I didn't put no heat on this side. So, yeah, she is, oh my God. Let me turn around to the back so you can see what she looks like back there. She's super duper cute. I love the cut of her. She is considered a bob. This would be considered a bob, not a pixie wig. So I'm here for bobs. Oh, the way I love bobs, especially when it frames your face like this is doing right now. Baby, she just eats. She eats down. She eats down. Listen. If you happen to like what you see in this video and you want to see more wig reviews like this one, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments below, would you pick her up, grab her in another color or not? I think the number 2, 11B, I think she, that's it. Like this right here, I'm feeling her.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.